Pagkas malamig-lamig ang panahon, ang lamig-lamig. Ito pa rin yung jacket, paborito ko na, nilalabang ko naman siya. Tapos po kayong lahat, and of course, sa ating mga jacket are always fresh and sexy. Eh sa ating mga jacket country, always inspired, never expired. Kumusta po kayong lahat? Ito na naman si Kung Angel, igagala ko kayo kahit sa sandaling oras lang. Kasi ako yung mga, no, I'm always joking. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe, leave comment. Ciao. Siyempre, andito yung tsaka sipag natin in everything among situation. Like, sometimes when we talk and the honesty is too much. And of course, right in here in Korea, this looks good. Kasi diba, mga boses nila ang gaganda at napaka-linis. So, I will encourage you na. Hanggat may pagkakataon tayo mag-abroad tayo. Alang-alang sa ating family while we came in abroad. And of course, to make money. Siyempre, ito ang ating topic for today. Habang ako ay gumagala at ginagala ko pa. Dito lang sa paligid. Actually, katatapos lang ng aking pag-gym. Diba? The most important is kailangan din mag-workout, mag-exercise, even although a little bit time. Yes, kailangan natin eat healthy food. That's the best benefit or profit sa ating body. Yes, so ito, I'm in the legal protection right now, so I'll make it what right now is we need to be careful because it's too cold and the weather is almost like I think almost like a minus 12 today. We need to warm jackets. So mapalandit po ng effort, huwag magbakya, and of course huwag magchinelas, huwag magdala ng kulambo dahil walang lamok. Yes, oh my god, it's really good. Look at that car, napaganda. That's my favorite bone soup. And Madam B is pinakain ako dyan ng maraming best. Make me shout to Madam B and congratulations. And to us, ating mga followers, thank you so much for our Facebook page because we are way to 100K. And please don't forget to follow Maisel Manay Choi on Facebook page. Kaganda ng araw, maganda ka pa sa araw. Eto, igagala kita. Gabi na. Yes, lalabas na ang mga asumang. Oh my god, there's a price bucket in here. Wow, parang gusto kong bumili ng tinapay. Let me check it out inside. Ay, ang ganda. Okay, I wanna check it out inside. Parang gusto kong like something tinapay or something like a bread. Nakalimutan ko yung pitaka ko. O wanna buy something with kaluluoy man. Oy, nakalimutan ng pitaka ba? Oy, bawal mag-utang ba? Ay, naku, makipagkwento na lang ko sa inyo. Ba, okay. And of course, nighttime na, gabi na. Gusto ko sana like the bread and the coffee. Pagkatapos mag-workout sa bahay nila. Kaluluoy man. But it's okay. Parang nag-grave ako ng Philippine food. Kasi pag taglamig, kailangan natin ng like the soup or something, sinigang or bulalo. Yan lang, wala tayong pambili. But it's okay, no matter what happens in Lover Magellan. And of course, Jackie Chan told me, ni hao ma. Yes, continue tayo. And of course, why we come in always is because to make money and to work hard. Siyempre, bago tayo kikita ng pera, kailangan muna natin magtrabaho, magtiyaga. Ika nga, pag may tiyaga, meron kang nilaga. Wherever we go, in Japan, in Hong Kong, in Saudi Arabia, sa Europa. Oy, nitatrend ngayon. Open ang mga sa Europa and of course sa Fiji Island. One day gusto kong pumunta sa Fiji Island. Yes, that's the close to the border of Australia and Switzerland. Ito, dumating nga pala ako right in here at the underpass at maliwaliwanag at pwede ka mag-concert in here at yung voice mo nag-e-echo. Sabi nila, pag nag-e-echo, maraming momo. Oh my god. Ang kwento ko, kwento mo, kwento niya. Ang kwento ng buhay natin. This one, I think like the at the year of the century. No, I think it's 1975 to 1960s. And of course, ito yung mga old photo nila in here. Nag-vlog na rin ako dito in here before. So let's continue. Parang may story ito itong underpass na to. Oh my god, ang ganda. And it's look like beautiful and very peaceful and it smells so clean. Ay, muntik na ako malaglag. Oh my God, ang buhay nga naman. May kabisata sa inyo pong lahat sa ating mga OFW. They always inspired, never expired. Okay, ito na. So this one is meron the story of this underpass. Okay, let me go check it out. Meron silang magandang wall dito. On the wall. Yes, gusto ko yung wall nila dito eh. Like they can sing in here. And merong projector. I think that's libreng palabas. And of course, this one, I think 1975. Yes, natatanda ko yung mga ganyan sakyan sa Pilipinas before. I think singdad ko ang the photo and then this one. And after a year, and they change and they grow so fast like this one. Kasi masikap sila. So let's continue. Walk about the history. Yes, punta ka sa Google. Lahat ng history makikita mo. Like the story of you, story of me, story ng buhay natin. There's a black and white photo in here too. This one, yung diba? This one is really good. Nakakita na ako ng ganito, like the big jar. And of course, I think this one, that's all downtown in here. Okay, lakad pa po tayo kasi maggagabi na. So we need to go back home, magpahinga. And of course, araw ng ating pahinga. So bukas, panibagong buhay na naman. Even although, ganit tayo ka-busy, we need to give a little bit time to ourselves para ehersisyo, eat healthy food. Eto na. Palanded na ako. Ano ba yun? No. Because my legs so hurt because siguro pala sa katandaan ko na. Well, okay. So eto na, like it on and like that over for us. Tapos na tayo. We're gonna go in here. So that's the view in the night time. That's the way to heaven. And that's the stairway to heaven. No, I'm only doing that. I think that's way to Seoul, and that's the way in Pyeongtaek. So, ibig sabihin, imagine that, even although in the night time is talaga napakaliwanag. Hindi sila nagtitipid sa lights. And of course, even it's so cold, even sa aircon, hindi sila nagtitipid. So, mga Dabarkad, I'm gonna cross on the street, really, sa sad. And then after that, ako ay what you call that, mamamaala na. Sa inyo pong lahat, Buenos Dias, Buenos Noches, and in Spain and in Madrid, and Mehabas Vivian Bande, sa inyo pong lahat. Siyempre ako rin po ay mamamaawam na sa inyo pong lahat mula sa Western Korea. This your Queen Angel, never tired to share my story. Follow po sa inyo lahat sa